supraventricular tachycardia. In other words, a heart rate that's really, really fast, about 150 beats per minute or more. It's a very uncomfortable situation. It could lead to further morbidity, and if it gets really, really bad and untreated, could lead to death. It's time critical and needs to be cared for by EMS professionals on scene. Traditionally, the American Heart Association has recommended a dosing regimen of adenosine for these patients of 6 milligrams, followed by 12 milligrams, and then, if needed, another 12 milligrams. My colleague and co-author, Dr. Brent Myers, said it best that the only thing worse than getting adenosine once is getting adenosine twice. What we want to do is see, do we really need to be dosing these folks that many times, or can we just start with 12 and see if we get some really good results with that? So we looked at January 1st, 2022, all the way to December 31st, 2022. We used our Data Collaborative research data set to look at every adenosine administration in the time period. Overall, it looks like starting with 12 may be a good idea. We found that their odds of improvement were increased about 65%. It was an odds ratio of 1.65, and that was a statistically significant result. There have been some studies that looked at this, but they were really small studies, hundreds of patients. 11,000 patients just in 1 year is when I started doing EMS research, that was unheard of. And then even more unheard of is being able to link the EMS record to the hospital record to see what happened to patients after they were transferred care from EMS to the emergency department. That was high in the sky when I started doing EMS research, and now we get to do this regularly. So the ESO Data Collaborative is certainly a great resource, and one of the best things about it is it's not just available to me or our research team at ESO. We make this publicly available. Studies like this could certainly lend to the research and help increase the quality of data that are available to help folks make decisions in their systems. And I hope that that's what this paper leads to.